everyone, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I know it's been a long time at I guess sa October guys hindi ako nakapag-cash stuffing. Yung October month ko guys is very and super duper busy because I'm not sure if I mentioned before na we are starting to build with my friends an event services na business, and for October we did have 2 events on that month, so super busy po talaga and hindi talaga ako makapag-insert ng editing and so on kasi it's nag-start pa lang. So now I'm doing our first paycheck budget for November, and I know I owe you an explanation, so that's why I'm explaining kung bakit nawala ako for I guess 1 month guys. October wala ata akong na upload na video, but here it is. I'm trying to cope up guys. I'm trying to be consistent even more, so I will try my very best. So I have a good news for you. I had my promotion in my work. Yes, I still do have my full-time job. At the same time, meron din akong event services na business na binibuild up as a side note. So now, as you can see, supposed to be on the first paycheck or first paycheck of the month, I usually receive like 10,000 for my income, but now since I did have my increase, that went up to 13,400. And take note, marami akong mga leaves on that month kasi nga meron akong mga event services guys. So right now, as you can see, I receive a paycheck of 13,400, and then for my partner 8,200. So nakikita niyo guys, on the spot akong magsulat ng aking budget. It's because hindi po talaga ako prepared. Nung tumating yung paycheck, I know that I have to do the cash stuffing kasi hindi pwedeng mamaya-mayain ko na to. Hindi po pwedeng wala na naman akong video ma-upload because I know na ito talaga yung mga hinihintay natin, 'di ba? So to give you a background guys, I'm not sure if kitang-kita ninyo dyan yung mga numbers. So yung total income ko for this first paycheck including my partner's income is 21,600, and then yung cash stuff natin is only 13,400 kasi yung 8,200 nasa bangko. So I'll try my very best guys na hindi mag-cut dito. Just do the voice over on the spot. So just the clear cash stuffing. So now we have nadagdagan niya pala yung utang namin kasi unexpectedly nagpa-upgrade ako ng aking mata, and then yung aking partner pinaano ko na rin yung kanya, pina-check ko yung mata niya and he needs eyeglasses. So the good thing is that BDO offers a 3 months to pay with 0 interest. So that's one of the advantage na nakuha namin using a credit card. So nautang namin yung bill namin, I think almost 6K ata, and then for a monthly basis I think 180 yung bill namin. So every paycheck nagtatabi na lang ako ng 1,000 for that, and the total debt with the phone including guys is 5,700. And then the grocery still the same, 2,000 yung budget. For the food 2,000, and then for the transportation, for the gas, by the way, so na okay na yung aming multi-cabs. So yung gas namin, it's budget 1,500. For the public transportation, parking, etc., it's 1,000. And then for the utilities, 1,000. Medical, vitamins for 500, and for my partner's mom, that's 1K. And then for the personal allowance, for my partner, it's 1,500, and then for the miscellaneous is 1K. So, nung tinotal ko siya guys, it's 15,150. Ang ending nito is hindi ako nakapag-cash stuff ng utilities na 1,000 at saka sa miscellaneous na 1,000 because yung cash ko dito is 13,400 only. And by the way, meron din nga pala kaming na-swipe na utang for the battery na almost 5K, pero yung kulang ko na lang is 2K. So, yun yung babudgetin namin for the 8,200 na pera na nasa bangko ng aking partner. And as you can see, meron po ako talagang mga notes dyan, notes para hindi ko makalimutan. So, I'm in the putting aside, I think this one is for the food allowance, that's 2K, and then grocery is 2K. So yan, para hindi ko siya makalimutan na which money is this for, always take down notes po talaga tayo, okay? And then one thing nga pala kung bakit hindi ako nakapag-cash stuff last month, guys, is because nagkasakit ako. Twice ako nagkasakit, nagkalagnat, inubo, lahat-lahat. Hindi po siya COVID, parang flu lang po siya, but still, yun, pahinga po ako ng sobrang tagal, like 1 week na sakit, and then after 2 weeks, nagkalagnat na naman, so 1 week na naman. So, my October month is full of sickness. Alright, so let's go back to our cash stuffing, guys. So, yung cash stuff ko na 8,200 for na nasa bangko, by the way, yung 4,900 dyan is yung budget ko for the savings. So, emergency is 1,200, sinking funds is 1,200, insurance is for 1,000, and then investment is for 1,500. Now, to let you know, guys, bakit nag-iba na naman yung aking budgeting method, it's because before, I think on September, I decided to use the Money Manager app. Kumbaga, lahat ng expenses ko, pinuput in ko doon para malalaman ko kung saan papunta yung aking pera. Kasi before, although nagbabudget nga ako, but still parang kulang dito, kulang doon. So, yung ginagawa ko, instead of putting in my notebook daily, yung ginagawa ko, guys, gumamit ako ng isang application which is yung Money Manager, kung saan everyday nag-i-input ako doon automatically. So, kapag may nilalabas ako ng pera, kung para saan ito, nilalagay ko siya agad-agad sa Money Manager. Ang ending, doon ko nalaman kung magkano yung na-spend ko on a specific category. Now, what I did is I used the Vince Rapisora budgeting method. I think it's 70-20-10 rule ba yun? So, flash ko siya sa screen, guys, kung anong method yon. And on a next video, gagawa mismo ako ng explanation sa aking bagong budgeting method na learn ko from Sir Vince. I-share ko siya on our next video, guys. So, for now, ito na muna, doing the cash stuffing, and then on our next video, guys, hopefully by next week, is makakapag-upload ako kung paano ko ginagamit or paano ko ginagawa yung aking budgeting method to understand the cash flow of our personal finance. Kasi, as you all know, guys, every now and then nag-change ako ng budgeting method depende sa kung ano yung mag-work out for me. So, before, ito yung nag-work, but now, naiba na naman siya, ganito na naman yung method na nag-work. So, it's okay to play around with what type of budgeting method that will really work for you, guys, because it's very helpful to understand that. Kasi, one of the things that I just realized, kasi, parang labas na lang ako ng labas, expense na ako ng expense, wala akong nakikitang movement on our savings, on our investment portfolio. So that's why I came up to try to work with this budgeting method rule. So first time ko siyang ginamit on this Paycheck, and hopefully I can see a little bit movement na. And the next goal of me is that be more on ano bang term na ginagamit dito, be more on hold off with the expenses. So be into our budgeting. So yun lang. So next, yun nga, if you like this video, guys, please click the like button and then subscribe to my channel. Then if you like this type of video, guys, yes, there will be more of our finance budgeting, personal finance budget videos, and our next video would be yun nga, explanation on my budgeting method rule that I am currently using right now. So yun lang, I do hope na nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, and please let me know, guys, in the comment section kung anong budgeting method rule yung ginagamit ninyo, kasi different kind of method yung ginagamit natin, whichever works for you. Now, if somebody reads yung budgeting method na ginagamit mo, maybe yun yung mag-work sa kanila, diba? So, sharing is caring. So, thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. And now, I'm just doing the calculation on savings. Kasi nga, dapat income minus savings minus expenses dito, but naiba na yata yung nangyayari, is nagiging parang income minus expenses minus savings na yata yung nangyayari. So it's very hard. I wanna see a movement on our savings, guys. Yun yung gusto ko. So thank you so much, and I will see you on our next video. Bye bye.